This is the elevator that goes to the Airtrain. We're gonna go up. Oh, it's a Dover Impulse. Nice. Oh, I remember this elevator. Oh, I remember this elevator from some videos. It's a Dover Impulse. It's gonna open on this side. All right. There's the Airtrain right here. All right, there you go. We got a Dover Impulse elevator in the airport. Here we are back at the Dover Impulse elevator at Newark Liberty International Airport. It's quite rare to find an original elevator in an airport these days. Never in my eyes would I find a Dover Impulse. And that's it.